Hiya knitters! In this week's product review, I will be going over our Bamboo Pinnacle Set. This one is the 5-inch one, but you can also get them in 4-inch if you like what you see in here but you prefer to knit on sharp or steel. Have a look at our website, we do offer them as well. So the first thing you get with this set is our signature HiyaHiya case. This is one of our circular cases. Comes with a zip compartment on the back. This will fit most of your accessories in there, and it's fastened quite tightly with this little loop. So if I open that up, remove the protective sleeve, and then you'll see the full range of bamboo tips in 5-inch, starting at 2.75 all the way up to 10mm. Now, as you can see, some of these have smaller adapters than the others. Anything up to a 5mm will need our smaller adapters. Anything over 5mm will need the large adapters. This comes with 5 cables, ranging from 16 to 18 inches, all the way up to 62 inches. As you can see with these are all the small adapter ones, this little bit here. So it will easily fit these, but you may be wondering, how do I get the large tips onto here? Well, this set does come with tip adapters, our regular ones, which means, if I screw that in there, any large adapter tip will then fit in, so you can mix and match all your cables or your straight needles, which also come with this. If I just undo this. So it also comes with 2 sets, one large, one small, of our straight needles. Now these are interchangeable, and you can adjust what length you'd like them to be in, so you can make them as short or as long as you wish. They also come with some of our very adorable panda stoppers, so these protect at the end and stop all your work sliding off. Like I said, they come in the large and the small size, so the small ones can fit on the small, large can fit on the large. Now, to assemble all your interchangeable needles, we always advise using needle grips, which it does come with a set of, and it also comes with a cable key. Now, this is the only way you are going to properly secure your HiyaHiya interchangeable sets. If you don't use these, they'll very likely come undone as you're knitting, which can get very annoying, but these are little lifesavers. I'll put a link top right to how to use our interchangeables if you're unsure. And then the set comes with 3 little accessories. One, our very popular puppy snips. Handy little keyring that doubles as scissors. Now these ones are puppies, but we also do them in 2 variety of kitten and 1 octopus. Bit of a lucky dip what you will get. And they come in a different range of colours. You'll get a set of our Darnit darning needles. To show you. So perfect little darning needles. These come in 2 varieties of colours. And the last thing you will get is our safety pin stitch markers. So little stitch markers can hook over your needle by this end, but they are also safety pins too. So yeah, that's our Bamboo Pinnacle set. This is one of the larger sets you can get with a great variety of HiyaHiya products inside of it. Obviously, if you want to start with a smaller set, I'll link a couple of those to the side for you. But this is a brilliant one to include a bit of everything from HiyaHiya. If you like this, please let me know below. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, happy knitting!